Hey y'all, I'm getting ready to make some brownies. Vic got a taste for some brownies. I've been putting it off and off for a couple of days. No, I've been putting it off for a couple of weeks. So he told me to buy some brownie mix. Here it is. So I'm getting ready to make the brownies. Gonna be very easy, simple. I'm just gonna put some cashews in it. So let's get started with the brownie mix. I'm using 2 boxes of this Duncan Hines milk chocolate brownie mix. So let's pour them both in the bowl. He been asking for about 2 weeks. I was like, okay. Just got around to it. So it looks like a good day to make them. Other box. Oh. Other box. You need 6 tablespoons of water. Got that right here. Let me bring y'all a little closer. So we got the 6 tablespoons of water. The 1.5 cup of oil. I'm using vegetable oil. We got 4 eggs. 2 eggs per box. All 4 of them in there. Give it a little mix. Don't mix it too much. Just incorporate everything together. They do be good though. The milk chocolate kind. That's the only kind I've eaten. And he liked it, so it's a win-win situation. It don't take much to mix this in. Just mix it till you don't see any more dry ingredients. I already got my oven preheating to at 350. The brownie's gonna cook for about 30 to 35 minutes. Okay. That should do it. It don't take much. Then I'm gonna put the pecans in. Mix them in. Not that many. And if you're allergic to nuts, just don't put no nuts in it. If you like more chocolate, put chocolate in. If you like peanuts, put peanuts in. If you just like it without any nuts, that's the way you do it. Like the box says. But we like it like this. Okay. All incorporated in. Okay. Now let me go get my Spam, my Pam, to grease the pan. Okay, I got this kind of pan. Just gonna sit that right here for a minute. Spray the pan. It's gonna be easy to get the brownies out. Just lift it up. Spray the divider. Okay. That back down. And okay. Then I'm just going to pour the brownies in the pan. All right. That'll do it. All done. I'm just gonna shake it. Okay. And make sure this is even. Then just put this back down in there. Make sure it go all the way down. And then we had got individual brownies when it comes out. Let me put this in the oven. 30, I think it's about 35 minutes. 30 to 35 minutes, they'll be done. But I still got to put the toothpick in them to make sure that they're done. And then that's it. See you when it comes out the oven. Okay, y'all, here's the brownies. They are finally out of the oven. I did the test. Let's see if they come out clean. Yep. No brownie mix. Yep, they're done. So we're just gonna let them cool off, and I'm gonna take this part out, and then we have the individual brownies. So I'll be back after they cool off. The brownies has cooled off, so let's see if I can get them out of here. Let's see. My hands are clean. I don't want to break them. They did take a little bit over. Go down, go down, go down. Got your individual brownie. Okay. There you go. That much has stuck to the sides. That's pretty good to have individual brownies. Easy cleanup. Then we're just gonna sprinkle just a little powdered sugar on top. Just a little. I didn't cut the hole that big. And there you go. Box brownie. There you go. Brownies out the box. How you think they turned out? They look all right to me. So I'm gonna plate them up and we're gonna see. That plate ain't gonna work. I need a bigger plate.